You know that feeling at 11 p.m. when you're exhausted, haven't done anything important, and you swear tomorrow will be different? Tomorrow comes, and you do it again. Same cycle, same guilt, same empty promise. That's not laziness, that's a system problem. Here's the real issue. You're not managing time, but you're letting time manage you. You wake up, react, respond, put out fires. By noon, your best hours are gone. You've given your peak brain to other people's inboxes. That's not a schedule. That's a hostage situation. So here's the fix. Tomorrow, before you check anything, sit down with one question. What's the one thing that, if I do it today, makes everything else easier or irrelevant? That's your must. Do it first, in a 90-minute block. No phone, no tabs, no interruptions. Just you and the must. After that, you've already won. Then add two shoulds, that is, important tasks that support the must.
And one could be a nice to have if you've got time left. The magic is the order.
Musts first, shoulds second, coulds last. That's the whole game. Not complicated, not hard, just disciplined.
The people who move forward aren't smarter. They're not luckier. They just decided that their morning belongs to them.
They treat that first hour and a half like a fortress. No one gets in. No notifications, no noise, no guilt. Just focus.
You change the rhythm, and there is no regret, just pride in the time you owned.
You took the wheel. That's real freedom. Protect your morning. It's the only thing between you and the life you want. Thanks for watching. If you got something positive out of this, smash that like, hit subscribe, and send this to a friend who needs to hear it.